Hello guys, a little bit down with small cough right now. So you have entered a very nice and beautiful week. Now you have done my analysis on the weekly time frame. That was yesterday. But just this for my audience and my people that really want to know. And please subscribe and follow my channel because I'm trying to build it up. And what I'm sharing is due to years of experience and looking at the chart, studying it for more than 4 years. Nothing much, but now it's easy for me to see I'm profitable to some extent. The forex market has its own irregularities, but at the end of the day, risk management and risk reward and knowing what you are doing in the market and knowing how to read price that determines everything. So now, based on the dollar index, I am opening the dollar index right now. Looking at price on the dollar index, our major concern is first the weekly time frame. Though when you're looking at this daily time frame, you know you're in a downtrend. You have break of market structure, seeking lower price and liquidity pools, like sell side liquidity pools, resting below all these lows. But I'm not doing my analysis from the daily. I want to go to the weekly right now. So looking at the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame right now should be bearish because I'm seeing price coming down to 105.00 because that is the real money in the market, the draw on liquidity coming to these lows, possibly coming to these lows after price even retracing back last week and tapping into this very short block, and we saw a break in market structure. Possibly we might see this volume imbalance likely to be filled if possible before we see a continuation move up. I don't know, but this week is a very easy and nice week. There's nothing hard in it. And when you have spent 4 years learning a particular skill, you have seen everything in the market and you can be able to understand how the market moves. So I'm anticipating price coming down to these lows to around 105.27 to break it down 1.105.00 just to clear the liquidity rating below those lows. Plus my weekly bias, sorry. So understanding this, let's go to the inverse proportionality or inverse proportion of the dollar index is the GU, because when the dollar index is going down, GDP/USD is expected to go up. Now UGCBAS is expected to go up. There's nothing much to talk about. I see price moving to 1.2800 to clearly be resting above those highs. So based on my analysis, looking at the daily time frame right now, we don't need price to give us any bearish signal based on fractality of price and price retreating back into short term. You see it at all time frames, short term discount back into this bullish order block on the daily. You don't need price to tell you that this bias is bullish for today. You might be wrong, but risk 1% during London, risk 1% during New York. You know you are losing only 2%, but your target is 1:3. Get what you want and get out of the market for the week. If you swing through that, you hold for maximum potential to 1.2800. That's all. Now gold. Gold a little bit nice also, but while entering into a deep premium. But I see price going to 3,000, a round number figure. You know, last week Friday we see price tapped into this fair value gap on the daily time frame. And looking at the weekly time frame right now, all this up close candle, there will be a short-term retracement. Not now, possibly this week to start, because we're entering into a deep premium. But we can still see a bullish momentum to the upside. So at least 3,000 level before we start seeing retracement possibly. And if it's coming back down, you see price tapping into this fair value gap here. But for this week, I am bullish on gold, and today, which is Monday, I am bullish. I'm bullish for a potential move up to the upside. Now, GG is what they call volatility of price in conjunction to correlation. GU and GG has the same volatility ratio most of the time, but from time to time they go against each other, either to facilitate liquidity, to neutralize liquidity, or to induce liquidity. Now, USD card bearish, also USD should be bullish, but I'm only focused on GU to give me the accurate result I need. Then USD JPY, possibly we might see continuation move down, but sometimes you might see bullish move to create another pool of liquidity on the 4 hours to neutralize liquidity. Traders chasing the shorts in the market. It's a zero-sum game. Nobody is free in this market. Remember what I said, dollar index is highly bearish, so it will be what? Bullish for GU, bullish for Euro USD, then gold possibly bullish. Sometimes they do miscorrelate from time to time. The market has no static way of movement, even though they have to be inversely proportional. Sometimes you might see that relationship between both of them. At the end of the day, just to manipulate liquidity in the market. Thank you very much.